Why many people fail in ESG careers? Many people complete ESG certifications but still struggle to get roles, interviews, or confidence. Let me be very clear. The problem is not intelligence, but it is misalignment. ESG is not failing you. The way ESG is being approached is failing many learners. So, in this video, I will explain why ESG careers fail and more importantly, how to fix it realistically. So, the main thing is certificate. ESG is applied operational work, but many learners approach ESG like an academic subject, finish a course, get a certificate, move to the next one. What missing is context. Most certifications do not teach you how organizational policies are written, how ESG data is actually collected, how compliance logic works, how reporting flows inside a company. So, learners know definitions but not decisions. ESG is not about memorizing frameworks, it is about using them to interpret reality. Certificates are entry points but not proof of job readiness. Second, no domain anchor. This is one of the biggest truth nobody tells you. Strong ESG professionals almost always come from a core domain such as environmental science, finance or accounting, engineering or infrastructure, law or compliance, human resources, supply chain or operations. ESG does not replace your domain, ESG builds on top of it. When someone says, I want to work in ESG but I don't know where I fit, that usually means their domain anchor is unclear. ESG without a domain is like a roof without a foundation. So, third, theory versus practice gap. Let's be honest. Knowing ESG terminology is easy, while applying ESG is hard. In real ESG roles, you are asked, can you read a policy and identify gap? Can you determine what is material for this organization? Can you map real operational data to reporting frameworks? This is where many learners freeze because practice requires judgment, context, understanding, trade offs. ESG work is not about perfect answers, it's about defensible decisions. 4. Wrong career expectations. ESG is not a shortcut career, and this needs to be said very clearly. Most entry level ESG roles involve data collection and validation, documentation and evidence building, supporting audits, assisting ESG or sustainability reports. So, these roles are not glamorous, but they are foundational. Many people drop out because this feels too basic, but ESG rewards patience, depth, experience. Titles comes later. Credibility comes first. So, who should pursue ESG and who should pause? So, now let me answer a very important question. ESG is suitable for you if you already have a domain and want to expand your impact. You enjoy systems, data, policies, and long term thinking. You are comfortable learning gradually. So, ESG may frustrate you if you are looking for a quick job placement. You dislike documentation and structured work. So, if you want instant authority without groundwork, and this is not a judgment, it's an alignment. So, how to fix the misalignment? In order to build a real ESG career, anchor ESG to your core background. Choose one framework and understand it deeply. Practice interpretation, not memorization. Understand regulations relevant to your region. ESG rewards depth, patience, and clarity, but not hype. If you want ESG explained clearly, practically, and confidently, subscribe to this channel. Do like and share to reach this video to more people. Thank you.